Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
What's up, YouTube? My name is Vic, and I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If this is your first time on the channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you're into that, I invite you to stick around, watch the video, you make it to the end, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. Folks, today, I'm going to be doing another watch unboxing video, first one of 2026. This is my first watch pickup of 2026. Very inexpensive watch. Anybody can afford this guy if it's in stock. Pretty popular watch that has been almost sold out every time I've looked for it since I've heard about it. So without further delay, let's get into this unboxing. All right, so let's open this box up. Came to me from Illinois. Actually got to me really, really fast. I ordered this either last Thursday or Friday. And it got to me yesterday, which would have been Thursday afternoon. So here we have it. The Farr Swit. This is volume 2 from Farr Swit, or Farr Swit. I've heard it pronounced two different ways. Pretty simple unboxing. So let's open it up, see what we got inside. Okay, pretty interesting box. I'm probably going to keep this box. It fell out. Here it is, the Farr Swit Volume 2. I got the one in orange. This is the one that I thought looked the best. Pretty simple watch, digital module. You know, when these things are like Casio F91. So nice backlight. And that shows in the camera very well. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. This is my first unboxing. This was my first watch pickup of 2026. Going to be a lot more pickups this year. Like I said, I'm looking to expand my collection, but staying away from AliExpress as much as I can. There are some brands on there that I am looking at, but for the most part, I plan to stick to mostly micro brands this year. And I've been looking at a lot of American micro brands because import fees. And there are some cool American micro brands that I have my sights on, and I've been looking at them. So that's the Farr Swit, or Farr Swit, however you pronounce it, the Volume 2, mixtape Volume 2. And that's going to conclude this one. This guy's probably not going to get a full review, just because, you know what you're getting with these little cheap little digital watches. I paid just under $40 after tax and shipping for this guy. This particular color is usually available on their website. All the other ones have seemed to be sold out. But this is the one I like the most anyway. Maybe Mrs. Watch Guy might like the pink one, but I believe that's a Volume 1 color. And those are all out of stock at the moment. And you can check their website, and I will link it in the description. And if you're interested, just check back, get on the mailing list, and I guess when they get them back in stock, you get an alert. So guys, that's going to conclude this one. I'll see you on my next one. Peace. Hey YouTube, it's Vic, the Brooklyn Watch Guy. Got any questions or suggestions for content? Well, scan this QR code, send me an email. Maybe you see your idea come up, or I'll answer your question on a video. Thank you for watching.